How to add products on Ecwid. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this Ecwid tutorial, I will be showing you how you can add products on your account. To add products on your account is very simple. I will show you how you can do so in this tutorial. So once you log in into your account, move over to the left side of the screen where you would see a menu, right, displaying dashboard, sales, etc. And then underneath sales, you'll see the option catalog. All right, that's where we're heading to in this tutorial. Just click on catalog. Once click on catalog, under catalog, a menu will be displayed showcasing products, categories, gift card, data import and export. Automatically, we take it to the products page. On this page, under products, you'll see the option add new products. Right, just click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to the add new products page. On this page, you would notice that there is a tab showcasing some options such as general, attribute option, files, etc. Now each of these tabs are the things that you have to fill in for you to be able to add a new product. So what do you do first? You have to upload an image that is your product image. Then if you want to add a video, you can click on add video here. And then you put the name of the product, the SKU, the weight of the product, then a description to make it easier for customers to get to know your products, and then add edit ribbon, add product subtitle. Note that for you to add or edit ribbon, you have to upgrade to the paid version of the Ecwid site, all right? But other ones are free. And then you can add the pricing, and then once you're done, you move to the attributes tab and fill in all of the required fields as well, and then the options as well, files, then the shipping, and pickup. On the shipping and pickup, you have to fill in all of the required details to avoid confusion as regards your customers, and this is for free shipping, etc. So this is basically how you can add products on your Ecwid account. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.